So watch as I sketch the second Wren on this practice page I'm doing here. It's great fun to just try to sketch with a watercolor brush. And I love using Daniel Smith's manganese blue hue to do that sketching because it's a color that just looks right even with all the other colors. It's just, or it absorbs well into the other colors. But when you sketch, you just use this, I like to use the really small Pentel water brush, and that's because I can do things quickly, I can clean it quickly, I can change colors quickly. It just doesn't have, this isn't about planning a painting, this isn't about doing a perfect painting. This is about learning to sketch from photographs, from life. It's just a quick sketch, and thank you for joining me.